Ladies and gentlemen, this is our view at the Yak and Yeti. Looking at a bridge back into Discovery Island. There's the menu. And here's what the restaurant looks like, ladies and gentlemen.
Give me a friend's name.
And there's a lady over there. Look at Daddy got. Look at my shrimps, Bethy. It's on a stick. It's swimming across the screen. Oh.
The camera doesn't want to focus on that.
Look at applesauce.
Go ahead.
I dropped it in my lap and then it got on the chair and I stepped in it. Yummy. Today we will try the French fries. Also, dip ketchup. It's gonna be chili, crunchy, delicious. That should be next. Apples. Really watery. Bye bye. Okay. Got my fries. They're tiny. They actually taste tiny. Because I know what tiny tastes like. Salty. Not French fry. I don't know how to say that. The burger is awesome. Cheesy, hammy, burgery. Better than most burgers. Applesauce. Good.
I'm at the Yak and Yeti today. I'm eating chicken lo mein at the on the advice of Jeff, our waiter. It's the best chicken lo mein I've ever eaten in my life.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to do a food review. I've never done one of these, so I'm scared. I got the steak and shrimp. This is the shrimp. Shrimp on a stick. Dip it in the sauce, which is a sweet and sour. You admire it. And then you eat it. It has a crisp exterior that gives way to the flavorful shrimp-like taste. Actually, it's very, very good. Light batter. Tasty. Better than red lobster. Now let's try the steak. It's a fillet of beef from the cow region of America. See that meat? We're also going to dip that. Here we go. Well seasoned. Overall, very, very good. I would highly recommend the Yak and Yeti the next time you just happen to be an animal kingdom. Stop on by. Well, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Sam, you want to do your review of your ice cream?
Oh yeah, I get it. You don't want to. Sunday time. Daddy, I ate two. Daddy, I ate two. I ate that too. It tastes like regular ice cream, which is really good.
What's your overall impression of Yak and Yeti?
Yak and Yeti is the best restaurant ever. Well, not the best, but it's a good restaurant.
Chocolate pudding. Bethy got chocolate pudding.
Also with marshmallows. Let's try the marshmallows. Try to get it. That's really chewy. It's chewy inside and crunchy outside.
No, that's not true.
Not pudding.
The marshmallows are not crunchy outside.
You don't know about it. Chocolatey. Get that one.
Bethy, what's your overall feeling about Yak and Yeti?
It's really yummy. I think I would want to eat it all
Ladies and gentlemen, if you come to Yak and Yeti, I recommend this. The fried wonton. The fried wonton. Dip it in your ice cream.
Guess what?
Dip it in your ice cream.
I would eat pudding for
And serve it to
$1
your
million.
Elizabeth.
I would eat pudding for $1 million.
Yeah, most people would.